She sailed beneath the sky so wide, a queen upon the restless tide. Steel and hope in every beam, built to carry every dream. Laughter echoed through the night, stars above were shining bright. No one knew what fate would bring, as oceans heard the people sing. Every heartbeat, every smile only lasted for a while. The unsinkable dream sailed away into the silence before the break of day. The sea remembers every name, though time has changed, the story remains. The stars still shine above the waves, guarding every soul they gave. Hope may sink beneath the sea, but history lives eternally. Golden halls and crystal light, filled with joy throughout the night. Families dreamed of land so new, trusting skies so calm and blue. Then the silence slowly grew, frozen winds began to move. Destiny was drawing near, hidden in the midnight air. Ships may fall and kingdoms fade, yet memories are never erased. Across the waves, across the years, echoes still reach waiting ears. The unsinkable dream lives on, though the mighty ship is gone. Every wave still tells the tale of courage that will never fail. History never says goodbye, it simply teaches those who try. Beneath the stars, beneath the sea, the dream lives for eternity.